Hi guys, this is your host Nikasha, mental health consultant. This channel is all about mental health, and on each video I give you guys tips on how you can be intentional in improving your mental health and well-being to achieve the vision you have for your life. So guys, there's a difference between expressing displeasure about your partner's behavior and expressing displeasure about your partner. So for example, let's say you feel frustrated about your partner's level of punctuality. You can say, babe, or whatever you call your partner, babe, I'm feeling frustrated about us arriving to my sister's engagement party late. We had agreed we'd start getting ready earlier. That's what it sounds like when you're focusing on the issue, i.e. being late, rather than making your partner the problem. This way of communicating allows you to express your frustration. It puts the onus of resolving the issue on both of your shoulders, and it conveys a sense of we rather than me versus you. This is far less likely to have your partner thinking that you're implying that he or she has some sort of character defect. Now compare this to, I'm really frustrated that you started getting ready late again last night and made us late for my sister's engagement party. I've talked to you about this a million times and you keep doing the same thing. It's obvious you're never going to change. What this communicates is that your partner is the problem. He or she has something seriously wrong with him or her, and you've lost all hope that it's going to change. What this can do is it can create a you versus me dynamic, which can then create a rift in your partner's sense of security and the longevity of the relationship. No one likes to be told that there's something wrong with them, especially by their intimate partner. So what you may then get is a partner that's defensive, hostile, or one that outright shuts down and stonewalls you. Focus on the behavior and not the person. So guys, if after watching this video, you realize that you've been doing it all wrong in how you communicate with your partner, don't panic, okay? The relationship isn't just going to automatically fail. You can now start to work on the way that you communicate and start to improve things going forward. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this video and want to receive more tips on healthy relationships that work, don't forget to like and subscribe.